So we needed some replacement windshield wipers for my wife's car, so we got these TRICO Gold, this 2-pack of 28-inch automotive replacement windshield wipers, and I have to tell you that they fit phenomenally well. I did use Amazon confirmed fit to make sure that it does fit for our vehicle, and it does. It was absolutely fantastic. And all you really have to do is just go take your original windshield wipers off, make sure that you have the correct adapter on there, and then install your new windshield wipers. And I would just suggest cleaning your windshield really good before you start to use them to make sure there's no debris or anything on your windshield that's going to keep your brand new windshield wipers from working properly. So thanks for stopping by and hanging out with me and checking this out. Have an absolutely fantastic day, and I look forward to seeing you in a future video.